Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NABS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, B.G.S. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic has been taken from your textbook, chapter 10, lesson 1 and 2. This chapter 10 is all about some social problems in Bangladesh. Our today's discussion will talk about the concept of dowry, causes and effects of dowry, and the law against dowry. So, my beloved students, I would like to request to open your textbook and go lesson 1 and 2. Let's start our discussion. Especially, you know that there are different types of problems in Bangladesh. Among them, population growth problem, child marriage, illiteracy, superstition, and custom of dowry are mentionable. The type of problems have a great harmful effects on individual as well as national life. Our national economic and social advancement is hindered due to these problems. So let's have a look. Lesson 1, concept of dowry. The money, or what is dowry? The money or property which is taken from groom's side, which is taken from bride's side during marriage is called dowry. The money or property demands by groom or bride during marriage is called dowry. This is very old tradition, and it came from China. In ancient times, in China, bride used to carry some property or money to the groom's house during their marriage. Dowry is an old tradition. In ancient China, the bride used to carry dowry to the house of groom after marriage. Ancient Athens too had the tradition of sending money and property along with the bride to groom's house. Their dowry used to determine social status. In present Bangladesh, dowry takes the form of money, property, and valuable furniture, and articles also given to the groom during marriage. Causes and effects of dowry. And maximum in our familial issue, we find that women got married, but after few days there is a quarrel between husband and wife, and finally it reaches to divorce also due to this dowry, custom of dowry. Especially our women are tortured due to this dowry. Whenever the father and parents of a bride fail to pay all dues of dowry, then their daughters cannot continue their family. There are many reasons behind it, but poverty is thought to be the main cause of this problem. The main cause of taking or demanding dowry is poverty. Due to the hardship of poverty in Bangladesh, our people take and receive dowry. The groom side demands money and property from the bride side because of poverty. The groom wants to establish himself using the money and property of bride's father. Most women of this country remain engaged in domestic works in their own house, and they do not earn anything from that. That's why they live a life of dependence or subdued life in their husband-in-law's house. And then the women most often suffer humiliation and torture by their husbands. Many wealthy people think that if they can manage some money or property to their daughter's husband, then their daughter's head will be high in her husband's house. That's why they offer some money or property and valuable furniture as dowry. Actually, finally, it reaches its calamity. Many wealthy people in Bangladesh give huge dowry in their daughter's marriage. They believe that the dowry will help their daughter to keep her head high in their husband's family. We have laws to check dowry. In many cases, ignorance about this law is helping dowry get social permanence as a tradition. The main reason behind torture and violence against married women is dowry. Now we talked about the law against dowry. Muslim family law, Maharana is not considered as dowry. And besides, in marriage 500 taka will not be considered as dowry. The Anti-Dowry Act passed in 1980 in Bangladesh. The law prescribes a highest 1 year of imprisonment and 5,000 taka also if anyone receives or gives dowry. The Anti-Dowry Act was amended in 1986. According to this law, the convict for receiving or giving dowry will receive a minimum 1 year, a maximum of 5 years jail in sentence. According to the Act Against Women and Child Repression 1983, a convict may be awarded death sentence or life imprisonment and financial penalty if a woman is tortured to death or any attempt to her death for dowry. So this is all about our today's discussion. I hope you have understood our today's discussion. In our discussion, we talked about the dowry, concept of dowry, how it came to Bangladesh from ancient China. So we should be aware about this dowry. We should protect it. We should prevent this curse of this tradition in our Bangladesh. Especially if you have a look on ancient China, there was not given and taken dowry in this time. But in present Bangladesh, there is found dowry in everywhere, in every society, especially in our rustic life. Now take your SW. What are the social problems in Bangladesh? Number 1, what are the social problems in Bangladesh? This is knowledge-based question which carries only 1 mark. Number 2, what is called dowry? Number 3, when was the Act Anti-Dowry passed in Bangladesh? Number 4, what did a bride in Athens take to her husband's house? When was the law against dowry amended? These are all about our today's class. I hope you have already understood our today's discussion and the concept of dowry. We should create mass awareness against this dowry tradition and keep practicing at home. Stay home, stay safe, don't go outside, and see you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.